Hello, Debbie from Debbie's New Chapter here with yet another smoothie experiment. Now remember, all my smoothies are experiments. I am not an expert smoothie maker. I just decided to experiment with making smoothies and I'm really enjoying it. Everyone is slightly different. In today's experiment, I've started with 200 ml of water. I'm going to add some ice cubes because it's nice to have it chilled. And I'm starting today with frozen mango. Usually I start with strawberries and blueberries. Today I'm not. I'm doing something different today. I want to see how it tastes. I'm going to put some frozen pineapple in. And before I go any further, could I just say that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Like and subscribe. Share it with somebody else who you think might enjoy it. It really does help the channel grow. Now, I may or may not put half of this banana. It's quite a big banana. I might put half of that in today. I've got some blue juice. I'm going to put a little bit in. And today's experiment, I may or may not put the milk in. I may or may not put the fromage frais in. I just want to see how it goes. And I may or may not put the blueberries in. So let me start by mixing up what I've already got. This is taking a long time to mix because it's all frozen stuff. That's okay. But I can already tell that the consistency is not going to be what I want. It's not going to be thick enough. And this is why it's called an experiment. So this is interesting because what I've accidentally created is more of a slush. If you have children who like the slush drinks, and they're quite expensive when you go out and get them, you know, if you've got 2 or 3 children, 4 children, and they all want a slush, make them at home. That's exactly the consistency I've got here for that. So I'm going to do my taste test. That's quite bitter. That's not what I want at all. So I'm going to keep going with my experiment. So I'm now going to add a little apricot fromage frais. I discovered that when I add a small fromage frais, I actually started doing this when I'd run out of cream and milk and I wanted something in it just to improve the texture. So I decided to try it. This was ages ago in my experiments. You'll see it on one of my former experiments. I just wanted to try it and it turned out really well. So let me mix this up and see how this one is. So immediately the texture is better. It's less of the you know, the slush drink type of thing. It still is in the realms of that. Alright, so we're veering more towards the smoothie here. Flavour is slightly better as well, already, but I'm not quite there yet. I'm going to add some of these fresh blueberries, which I've washed in advance, in preparation for my video. So I've added 2 handfuls and I'm going to mix that up. So you can see how the colour's changed. Obviously it's going to change. Let's do a taste test. Not bad, but it's still not where I want to drink it. So I'm going to add some banana. I'm going to add half of this banana. Got half the banana in there. I might add the whole banana. I'll see how I feel. Can you see how it's getting a bit thicker again? It's much more of a smoothie texture now than it was before. So, taste test, much nicer for me, for my taste. I'm going to end up using the whole banana though, because yesterday when I used half a banana, the other half ended up going brown and going in the bin, so I'm just going to use it all. I'm going to add a few more blueberries as well. another handful. I'll mix that up. Time for a taste test again. It's a much milder taste. Once you put the banana in, when it was just the mango and pineapple, it was quite bitter. I'm going to put a little bit more blue juice in. Just because I like experimenting. And why not? And finally, my last thing that I would add would be milk. A little bit of milk. Let me just try this now. And you're probably thinking, yuck, disgusting. She's had her straw in there. In and out, in and out. Well, remember, it is just for me, this. I'm not making it for a crowd of people. Now, what the milk should do is obviously make it feel a bit more creamy, taste a bit more creamy, and make it more subtle, I think. Let's see. Did you notice I only put a little bit of milk in there? Compared to the 200 ml of water I had at the beginning. And that water is to give it volume, but it doesn't take away from the taste. Right. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So that for me now is a good smoothie drink. And I'm going to enjoy drinking that. So I'll say goodbye for today. Debbie's New Chapter. And please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.